Hey goodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another wig install. It's gonna be a little different because I'm with my favorite client, Heaven. In that first clip, we were just trying to get out as much yellow in this 613 wig as possible. My girl Heaven, she always brings me something interesting or always asks me to do something a little different. So her signature color is ginger. We're gonna be spicing up her wig with a ginger skunk strip on her wig. So get into it, y'all. So I'm just going in and sectioning off the hair. That way none of the ginger gets on any parts of the hair that I don't want it on. And there goes Heaven. Hey girl. So we did a skunk strip, and then we also did like a sort of a peekaboo color in the back, kind of, but not really. But yeah, you just gotta see the final result. So now we're about to install the wig, and you dolls already know the drill. First, you're going to clean your forehead, and then you're going to apply the glue. Now you're gonna use thin layers. Let me repeat, thin layers. Not do one thick layer and think that, okay, this is going to work for me, because it's not. Your install is actually going to last less time. Honestly, I don't know what layer of glue we're on, but I usually put like 3 to 4 layers, but I think I put 3 layers on this install. She really do. I went ahead and curled Miss Heaven's hair off camera. Well, I wanted to, but my camera died, so here we are. Look at this girl. This is the finished look. It has a cute little pop of ginger in the back that we added with that skunk strip on the side. This was a closure wig, so we had to get real creative, you know. But it looks good. This is the final look. Miss Heaven likes her hair. Look at her getting her selfies in and her videos in. She fucking with it. Alright goodies, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and catch you on the next video.